Once upon a time, in a magical jungle, there lived a little elephant named Eve. Eve was special because she had the most beautiful, twinkling stars on her trunk. One night, as the jungle grew dark, Eve felt a little lonely. She looked up at the sky, admiring the twinkling stars, and wished she could join them. Suddenly, a wise old owl hooted, "Eve, the stars are not so far away. You can reach them if you truly believe." Intrigued, Eve thought and thought. She remembered the wise words of her grandmother, "Believe in yourself, and you can do anything." With a twinkle in her eye and a leap in her heart, Eve began her adventure. She walked, and she walked, and she walked. The jungle was quiet, but Eve's heart was full of joy. As she walked, she realized something magical. Each step she took, a star on her trunk would shine brighter. Soon, Eve was glowing with stars, just like the night sky. The jungle animals watched in awe. The monkeys cheered, the tigers roared, and the birds sang. Eve had not only reached the stars, but she had also brought the night sky to her home. As the sun rose, Eve returned to her home, her trunk shining with the stars she had collected on her journey. She was happy, she was proud, and she was loved. From that day on, every night, Eve would go on a little adventure, collecting stars to share with her jungle friends. And every night, the jungle was filled with twinkling stars, a reminder of Eve's magical adventure. And so, the story of Eve teaches us that with belief in ourselves, we can achieve anything. And sometimes, the journey to find the stars is just as beautiful as the stars themselves.